Hello everyone, happy January 2023. My name is Kyle and I am here to do the unboxing of the January knit box. So inside this box, as with every month, we have a number of different things. It begins each month with a joke, and where's the joke? Oh, here it is. So there is a little joke here. It's a little bit of a pun. I will let that be a surprise for everyone who gets to open their box. There's a cute little punny joke that goes into the box. Then there is some yarn, and this month we decided, since it's a brand new sparkling year, we might as well do something new and bright and shiny and sparkly and undyed. So this is a cake coil of Kinky yarn. So this is a yarn that is a pre-knit tube that usually we encourage people to try dyeing it, to experiment. You can use all kinds of different materials, of course, like food coloring or Sharpie marker or Easter egg tablets. You can use red wine. You could try wrapping the yarn around like rusty piece of pipe and put it in water and see if the rust affects the yarn. Experimenting is part of the fun with this. And so, of course, traditional acid dyes will work wonderfully as well, or natural dyes like onion skins and that kind of thing. But because it is knit into this pre-knit tube, the yarn itself takes color and dye in a very unique way. So each one turns out differently. January, we're not dyeing any yarn. This yarn is going to stay as its fresh, clean, undyed self, and we are going to work with it in this nice, creamy, natural color. So that's the yarn. It is a 200 gram, isn't it a 200 gram? Yes, a 200 gram cake coil of yarn. Then we go to the gift. The gift, is this really amazing needle from Addi. This is one of the Addi art needles. These are made in Germany, as you know. It's a limited edition needle that comes in this case, and inside you will see that it is full of Swarovski crystals. So let's see if I take this one out of here, will it be easy to see? So each one of these needle tips is just full of, I think there's like 70 or more than 70 little Swarovski crystals inside. This is a size 15, a US 15 fixed circular needle, and we are going to make with it, the project for the month is called Tinda. So the Tinda cowl, Tinda is a word that means snow or refers to snow, and it's a Scottish term. And so we thought it kind of looks like snowdrifts or snow banks, and this is what the project is. So it's worked in a round. You'll need a stitch marker, a cable needle, and of course some time to make the cowl. And when it's done, it's just this nice, perfect, squishy, cozy cowl for the cooler months that are still ahead of us before we work our way into spring. So this is the Tinda cowl, and it is what the project is for the January knit box. Of course, you get a printed copy of the pattern. So here's what the pattern looks like. There is a chart on the inside, and there's also written instructions. So you'll be able to use either the written instructions or chart, whatever you are more comfortable with. And then somewhere in here, yeah, there's a download code as well for the project pattern. So if you were on Ravelry or you'd like to just get a digital copy to save on your device, you can do that by going onto that address, entering the code, and you can download it again, either to the library of Ravelry, your Ravelry library, or to your device. So that is the fun, exciting, oh, and treats. There's also these little amazing caramels. So there's a couple little very delicious caramels in here to welcome you into a sparkling, sweet new year. So sparkling and new, that was the theme for this month's box. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you were one of the lucky few to get one of the extra boxes, if they're still available, you can check our website, makersmercantile.com, click on the subscription tab, and you can see what few remaining boxes are available for which months, and you can get those while you can. And again, if you'd like to subscribe, it's a little bit less money each month to do that. And of course, it just continues month to month. And when you're ready to cancel, or if you ever want to cancel or pause, you just reach out to us, send an email, give us a call. We're happy to pause or cancel for you anytime. If you have questions or need any help at all, you give us a call or reach out. We're always happy to help as well. And that is, in short, what January is all about. Have a wonderful month, everyone. We will see you in February with the next unboxing. Thanks for watching.